Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through the assembly tutorial for the Jmmico Build and Paint Birdhouses kit. With the included materials, you can build to different birdhouse designs. Now, let's build Model E. Our wood planks are numbered. Step 1. Locate planks 1, 3, and 6. Place plank 1 in the middle, between planks 3 and 6. Step 1. Completed. Step 2. Locate planks 1, 2. Insert plank 2 into plank 1 and slide it into the slot. This step will help connect the remaining planks. Step 2. Completed. Step 3. Locate planks 4, 5. Pick up the third wooden board. Insert plank 4 to the plank 3. Insert 5 into the plank 3, which will be helpful to attach the remaining planks. Step 3. Completed. Step 4. First snap 1 into 6. And then snap 3 into 1. Step 4. Completed. Step 5. Find the rope. Knot one end of the rope twice to make its head swell. Then snap it into the round slot. This will secure the hemp rope and keep it from coming loose when pulled. Step 5. Completed. Step 6. Locate planks 7, 8, 9, 10. Attach planks 7 to plank 6. Attach plank 8 to plank 7. Attach plank 9 to plank 3. Then attach plank 10 to plank 9. Locate planks 11, 12. Insert plank 11 into the slot on the beak. Insert plank 12 into the slot at the tail. When assembling accessories 11 and 12, please identify the hole position and insert them evenly under force. Do not use brute force. And the bird's body is now complete. Step 7. Locate planks 13, 14, and 15. Insert plank 14 into the circular slot to secure the wooden boards on both sides. Insert plank 13 on one side of plank 14 and plank 15 on the other side. Step 7. Completed. Step 8. Locate plank 16. Insert plank 16 into planks 13 and 15. Thread the hemp rope through the hole in 16. Step 8. Completed. Step 9. Locate plank 17. Insert plank 17 upward into planks 13 and 15 to help secure the bird's body in the following steps. Step 9. Completed. Step 10. Thread the hemp rope through the hole in plank 18. Then thread it through the side holes of planks 13 and 15. Step 10. Completed. Step 11. Locate planks 19, 20, 21. Insert plank 17 into the plank 19. Pay attention to aligning with the corresponding slots. Insert plank 20. Then insert the slots on top of plank 20 into the slots between planks 18 and 16 above. Insert plank 21 into the plank 19. Then insert plank 21 into planks 16 above to secure the entire bird's body. Locate plank 22. Push plank 22 into the bottom slot to secure the entire birdhouse. Step 11, completed. Step 12, leave about 1.5 inches of hemp rope at the top to allow movement for the bird to peck at the wood. Find number 23. Thread the hemp rope through plank 23. Then tie a knot. Then thread the hemp rope through the hole underneath. Step 12, completed. Step 13, locate planks 24, 25, 26, 27. Insert plank 24 into the right. Insert plank 25 into the left. Insert plank 26 into the left. Insert plank 27 into the right. Step 13, completed. Step 14, locate plank 28. Insert plank 28 into the right. Step 14, completed. Step 15, remove the 3M adhesive from the back of the hook and attach to the intended location. Allow about 3 inches from point A to point B. Hang the woodpecker on the hook. Pull the hemp rope and ring the doorbell. Model is complete.